get it in the hole. There we go. And there's 2 of those on the back for 3.5 inch drives, and 2 on the front for 2.5 inch drives, like SSDs mainly. And you can put one there. So you've got 2 with it, so you can have them like that, or you can put one. So there's a bit of variation. The other in-wing case I reviewed, the 301, that's got quite a nice sort of cover. This is very much open. They want you to put your big radiators there or on the bottom, but I'm guessing mainly there, which might be a problem because the power supply might get in the way. But it's a very nice, it's still a very nice case. I mean, the fan is in-wing branded as well, so it's not like it's a third-party one. It is one of their fans. I don't know how good it is. I think it's set to blow air out, so they do want the air to come in through the bottom, so it doesn't come in through the front at all. So if you're going to buy this case for a bedroom, you'll need to put it on something hard, like a little bit of laminate floor or a tray or anything that's hard, or rise it up by putting it on a book or 2. Not particularly elegant, I know, but it needs to be on a completely hard, flat surface to get that gap at the bottom. We'll have a look at the gap. I'll unclip the camera. If you've got a standard sort of look at the interior of it, I don't know how well you'll see it because it's not going to have anything really in that area there. Really. Look there is cleaner with the screws than it is with sticky uppy thumb screws. And these plates have, you know, they've stamped them with in-wing. It's a quality product. Let's not be under any here. It's a really nice case.